How you doing, YouTube? How you guys doing? This is Kid Reckless. I'm just gonna go over a brief video real quick of what I'll be doing later in my other upcoming video after this. Brief summary of what's going on was my bike was stolen about a month ago or so. Took them 2 weeks to find my bike. I found my bike, but a lot was wrong with it. As you can see, they rigged my ignition. They put a toggle switch to fuck with my lights. Well, that don't matter, adjusting that. They keyed out this, drilled that out, drilled out my lock. They kind of damaged my chain. My chain has some cracks in it and everything. They did some burnouts. They ripped all this stuff out. My license plate, holder, everything was all just ripped out. They overfilled the oil. I mean, I won't be doing all. Today, next video I'll be doing is installing a new one of these, new ignition, and a new lock set for back here, my rear seat. This is my 2003 954. Good bike. It was in perfect condition when I bought it. I'm going to have to buy a new chain on eBay. Hopefully a Vortex V3. They're my favorite. That's what I got over there on my other SV. I'm giving my brother this bike for a while so he can learn. I like Vortex. Good chain. Never gave me a problem. I installed it, did it all myself. Never had a problem with it. I've had this bike for a long time. And we'll consider this my first bike, but not the first bike I've ever ridden. My family's all been riding bikes and motorcycles, dirt bikes, for as long as I can remember. No one in my family's ever died on a motorcycle. Knock on wood. This is a good bike. So I'm going to hate to see it leave, but it'll be good for my brother to practice on. I've done everything to this bike. It was supposed to be a track bike, but I had to put everything back together so he can ride it. But today at 954, that was what I'll be doing. Just recently had this painted, my swing arm, gloss black and everything. I think it looks pretty good. Heel guards and all that stuff was painted black too. It all looks good. Once I get this bike back to shape, it's gonna look good. But yeah, they broke my mirror too. That's another thing I gotta buy. But who needs mirrors? Psh. But yeah, next video, guys, I will be showing you what's to be done and how to install these. Do ignition. It's gonna be my first time doing ignition, so bear with me. We'll do this and then hopefully get this to work. Bought the parts from eBay, from China, I forget what it's called, something Power Sports. But yeah, just stay tuned, guys, and we'll get this going.